Good morning, friends. Myself, Girish Deshmukh. Today start chemistry lectures, chapter P block elements. So, what is by P block elements? So, you know about that. First, discuss about the periodic table. You know about that periodic table. In this periodic table are present in the 118 group, 118 elements, and that 118 elements are divided into 4 blocks. That is S block, P block, D block, and A block. So in these divisions, depending upon the atomic number and electronic configurations. So electronic configurations, some elements are present in the S block elements, some elements are present in the P block elements, some elements are present in the D block and A block elements. So why these elements are present, some elements are S and P or D or F. So S block elements, for example, sodiums and magnesiums are present in the S block elements. Why? Because these elements are atomic number and depending upon the electronic configurations, the last electron enter into the S. So that's why these elements are called as S block elements. As like the same, some elements, for example, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. So these elements are depending upon the electronic configurations, last electrons enter into the P block. That's why these elements are the P block elements, depending upon the electronic configurations or atomic number. So these are the P block, and that's why these P block elements are present in the 6 electrons capacity. That's why these present in the 6th group are present in the P block elements. In the periodic table, right hand sides are present in the P block elements, and that's mostly these are the electronegative elements. In the left to right, that is the electronegativity characters are increases in the P block elements, and that's why P block elements are include the types of elements, that is the metals, non-metals, and metalloids. So these are the first points in discuss about the introductions. So introductions, that means P block elements, the elements in which last electrons or valence electrons enters p orbital of the atom are called P block elements. General electronic configurations of valence of P block element is NH2 NP126, except helium, which has the electronic configurations 1s2. So P block elements, last electrons enter the p orbital are called as the P block elements. Now general electronic configurations of the P block elements is NH2 NP126, except helium. Heliums are the stable noble gas electronic configuration, that is 1s2. So now another points that belongs to the P block. P block elements belongs to the group 13 to 18 in the long form of the periodic table. In the periodic table, they are present in the P block elements are present in the group 6. And that group 6, that is name is 13 to 18. The number of naming of these groups 13 to 18 in the long form of the periodic table. The positions of the P block element in the periodic table is periods 1 to 7. 1 to 7. And group 13 to 18. Group 13 to 18. So these are the periodic table. That is, periods are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And groups 1 to 18. 1 to 18. But in the P block elements are present in the group 13 to 18. Group 13 to 18 in the periodic table. So these are the introductory part of the P block elements. So now these lectures are continued, but in the previous continuous lessons, that is write down the short notes, and that continue the another point discussed about it. Now another point, properties of P block elements are influenced by. So P block elements are the different types of the properties discussed about you. For example, that is ionization in energy or enthalpy, electronegativity, atomic size, electron gain enthalpy, means electron affinity, electronegativity. So number of discuss about the point, that is a bonding capacity. So properties of p block elements are influenced by the ionization enthalpy or ionization energy. So ionization enthalpy means that is last electrons pull the electrons towards requirement of the energy. That's why these energy are called as a ionization energy. So another point, that is atomic size. Atomic size depending upon the atomic number. Increase the atomic number, also increase the atomic size. Now electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity, that also discuss about the point of p block element, that is detailed study of this point. Electronegativity. Electronegativity in the p block elements are the high. In the periodic table from left to right, electronegativity characters are increases. In the periodic table, so these are the periodic table, that is discuss about the small types. So this periodic table that includes S, P, D and E block elements. So electronegativity characters from left to right, electronegativity characters from left to right are increases, and electropositive characters are the decreases. Electropositive characters are the decreases. So these are the S block elements. S block elements are the more electropositive and P block elements are the more electronegative. So electropositive characters are decreases from left to right and electronegativity characters are increases from left to right. So as a reverse, that is right to left, electronegativity characters are decreases. Electronegativity characters are decreases and electropositive characters are the increases. So these are the S block and P block elements. And you know what that previous point discussed about the p block elements are the positions of the p block elements are the in the periodic table from right sides and present in the group 13 to 18. So properties of p block elements that discuss about the ionization energy. Ionization energy means last electron pull up the last electrons in the orbitals requirement of the energy. शेवटच्या व्हॅलेन्शियल इलेक्ट्रॉन्सला काढण्यासाठी लागणारी जी एनर्जी असते त्याला आपण आयोनायझेशन एनर्जी म्हणतो. Now these are the atomic size. Atomic size that depending upon the atomic number. Increases atomic number also increases the atomic size. From, for example, top to bottom, top to bottom, atomic size is increases. Atomic size is increases because atomic numbers are increases. Also another point also discuss about the electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity. These words are the same. Fourth point, that is electronegativity. Electronegativity that discuss about from p block elements are the higher electronegativity as compared to the S block elements, and the D block elements are the transition element. D block elements are the transition elements and E block elements are present in the bottom of the periodic table. So p block elements that discuss about the properties. Now another point, the absence of d orbital in second grade. For examples, that is carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. So these elements depending upon the atomic number and electron configurations, d orbitals are absent. And the presence of d and f orbital in p block elements in the third grade onwards. So continue between the third grade, d orbitals are present, but second grades are absent the d orbital, because these elements, for example, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorines and neon. So these elements are the higher electronegativity and small in size. And that absence of d orbital. Now another point, that is p block elements include following types of the elements, that is metals, non-metals and metalloids. P block elements, so these are the p block elements, and that p block elements are present in the number of element, but different types of the elements. Some elements are the metals, some elements are non-metals, and some elements are metalloids. Metalloids means that combinations between the metals and non-metals. Metalloid between the combinations between the metals and non-metal. So these are the introductory part, that is second short points discuss about the p block elements, and that these points are detailed study about the one by one about next continuation lectures. So write down the short notes of the p block elements, that is second short notes. What is by p block element, that is properties of p block elements, types of elements, that is metals and non-metals and metalloids. So second traits are absence of the d orbitals, and third traits that presence of d and f orbitals onwards, third traits onwards. So write down the short notes.